In a small town, there lived a young man named Karen. He was intelligent, kind, and had big dreams. However, Karen had one major problem: he would overthink everything. Whether it was a small decision like choosing what to wear or a big one like applying for a job, Karen would spend hours analyzing every possible outcome. He feared making mistakes, and his mind was always filled with what-if questions. His parents and friends often told him, "Karen, you think too much. Just take action." But no matter how hard he tried, his thoughts would never stop. He always felt stuck, unable to move forward in life. One day, Karen's school announced a competition where students had to present a new business idea. It was a golden opportunity for him, but instead of preparing, he kept thinking, what if my idea is not good enough? What if people laugh at me? What if I fail? As the deadline approached, Karen had not even started working on his idea. When the results were announced, he realized that his overthinking had cost him the chance to participate. He felt frustrated and disappointed in himself. That evening, Karen went to his grandfather, who was a wise man known for his deep understanding of life. Sitting beside him, Karen shared his troubles. "Grandpa, I don't know what to do. I always overthink, and it stops me from doing anything. How do I stop this?" His grandfather smiled and said, "Let me tell you a story that will help you understand. Once upon a time, there was a brave warrior named Aaron. He had trained for years to become a great fighter, but he had one weakness: he would always overthink before a battle. One day, his kingdom was attacked, and he was given a mission to cross a river and defeat the enemy. But when he reached the river, he saw a bridge and hesitated. He started thinking, what if the bridge is weak? What if it breaks while I'm crossing? What if there's a better way to go? Hours passed, and Aaron kept thinking instead of moving forward. Meanwhile, the enemy advanced, and by the time Aaron decided to cross, it was too late. His hesitation had cost him the battle. The king was disappointed and told him, "Aaron, the bridge was strong enough. Your thoughts made it weak." Overthinking is worse than failure because it stops you from even trying. Hearing this, Karen was silent. He realized that, just like Aaron, he had been holding himself back. Karen asked his grandfather, "Grandpa, how do I stop overthinking?" His grandfather replied, "The key is to take action. When your mind starts overthinking, remind yourself, thinking won't change the outcome, but action will. Start small, make quick decisions, and trust yourself." From that day, Karen decided to change. He started making decisions without spending too much time analyzing. He focused on progress instead of perfection. Gradually, he became more confident. He learned that mistakes are a part of life, and what matters is moving forward. Years later, Karen became a successful entrepreneur. Whenever someone asked about his secret to success, he would smile and say, "I learned to stop overthinking and start doing." Overthinking doesn't solve problems, it creates them. Instead of worrying about what could go wrong, focus on taking action. The only way to move forward is to trust yourself and start now.